Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create contact form in Elementor. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the contact form in Elementor, the first thing that we need to do is to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin. And here we have to search for Ninja Forms. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the Ninja Forms at the top of the search. So we have to install this. And now we have to activate this. Okay, so we have activated our Ninja Forms and we have to go inside here and click here. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the dashboard of the Ninja form. So let's create the new form here from the scratch. So let's click on add new here. So if you want to use the template of contact us form, you can simply use this from here, but I will be creating the form from the scratch. Okay, so let's click on the blank form. And from here, we can simply create our form. Okay, so for the contact form, what we need. Okay, so the first thing that we need is the first name. After that, we need last name, and after the last name, we need email. And we can also go for the phone number here as well. Okay. And in the last, I will be having the paragraph. Okay. So let's click on the paragraph text. And now you can see here, we have first name, last name, email, phone, and paragraph text. So if I click on the first name here, you can see here, I can change the label from here. I can make this field a required field. And we also have the display options. Okay, so if I click here, now you can see here in the display, we have the default value, we have the placeholder, and we have the description. So right now, I will only be adding the placeholder text here. So that would be the first name. After that, we have the last name. So let's add the placeholder text as well. All right. After that, we have email. In the email, we need to add the placeholder text. And I would actually make this field a required field. Okay, so after that we have phone number. So let's add the placeholder text first, make it a required field. And in the last, we have the paragraph text. So I would actually like to change the label of the paragraph text. So that would be message. And I will make this a required field. And in the display, or simply write down a message. Okay, so that will be working fine. So I would also like to make the first name and the last name a required field. Alright, so this is it for our contact form. So now let's click on the emails and actions. So in the emails and the actions, we have the success message, we have the admin email, and we also have the record submission. Alright, so if I just click on here, you can see here in the success message, we have this message. So if you want to change the message, you can simply change it from here. And if you want to change the action name, you can simply change it from here. And in the similar way, we have the admin email. So in the admin email, we have the action name. And after that, we have the email that where the submission will be going. So if you want to add your WordPress admin email here, you can simply keep the value like this. But if you want to change the email, you can simply change the email from here. And from here, you can add the subject, and here you can simply write down the email message. Okay. And in the last, we have the record submission. So now let's click on done here. Click on publish. Let's just add the title to our form. So that would be my contact form. And if you want to add the submit button, you simply enable this value and click on the publish. Alright, so we have created our form. So now let's go back. Now you will be able to see our contact form here. Okay, so now how can you use this form? We will simply go inside the pages. So if you want to add the form on the new page, you can simply go here to create a new page. But if you want to go here with the existing page, you simply have to go inside the all pages. But I actually want to add this to the new page. I just click on add new page here. Let's just add the title to our page, my Ninja form. Okay, so now let's click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so now if I just search for the Ninja form here, you won't be able to see the option of the Ninja form, because for that we also have to install the plugin that is actually the essential add-ons for Elementor. Okay, so now let's just click on the update now, because I have already installed this. And now let's go inside the install plugins, because we have to activate this. So now let's click on activate here. Okay, so here in the essential add-ons, one thing that you need to do is to go inside the elements, and here you have to search for Ninja form. Okay, so we have to activate this, and now let's click on save settings. Okay, so now we have to go back and click on refresh page. All right, so now if we search for Ninja form here, you will be able to see the Ninja forms. Okay, so we have to drag this and put this here, and here we have to select our Ninja form. Okay, so that is actually my contact form, and here I just want to disable the title and labels, and I will keep the placeholder here. And in the style, we have a lot of the different options, but right now I just need to publish this. Obviously, you are not able to see here, so now let's click update here. And here what we need to do, I just have to click on preview changes, and here you will be able to see our form here. Okay, so this is our Ninja form. And if you want to do some styling on your form, you simply go inside our edit Ninja forms, and in the styles you can simply do the styling here as per your need. So from here we can actually customize the form container, we can customize the title and description and input and text areas, and you can also see the other options here as well. Okay, so this is how we can create contact form in Elementor. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.